Our challenge: increasing time pressure, harsh operating conditions, and the highest demands on profitability and efficiency. Our answer? The unique hydrostatic drive from Linde. Everyday life of forklift truck drivers, accelerating, stopping, lifting loads, often in confined spaces, and always under time pressure. The construction of the Linde hydrostatic drive and double pedal control allows quick and effortless truck operation. The driver changes the direction of travel simply by changing the pedals. Stepless acceleration and smooth braking. The unique hydrostat gives Linde forklifts superior driving characteristics in terms of precision and reactiveness. At the heart of the drive is the so-called swash plate. It controls the oil pressure in a closed hydraulic circuit and transmits impulses from the driver directly to the drive wheels as rotary movements. This precision is especially evident when loading and unloading. Driving and lifting hydraulics work independently of each other. When the mast is raised, the engine speed increases. Thus, the swash plate of the lift pump swings out and directs the oil flow to the mast. At the same time, the swash plate of the travel pump swings back, reducing the oil flow to the driver's motors and thereby the velocity of the truck. Thanks to the intelligent electronics, the system provides the exact required power for driving and lifting in every situation, and the engine always runs in the most economical speed range. This significantly reduces consumption and emissions. Less is more. The Linde hydrostat requires neither brakes, nor gearbox, nor clutch. The consequence? Almost no wear and low maintenance costs. The Linde hydrostat is the key to maximum efficiency. Unique driving characteristics such as stepless acceleration and quick reversing help the driver to work quickly and comfortably. At the same time, the operating company benefits from high handling performance as well as low maintenance and energy costs. Linde hydrostat, the drive for maximum productivity.